Mood of the week. Unboxing. So essentially, we're unboxing Delonghi BCO421S machine. And here we go. It's open. So it comes with a manual in a lot of different languages and all that. It also comes with a warranty, by the way. It's quite detailed. You have all the instructions in there. So that's the pressurized basket for the Porta filter. That one was for one shot. Here we have the filter for the drip coffee side. This other pressurized basket is for 2 cups of espresso shot, or like 2 cups of coffee or 2 double shot espresso. So it's bigger basically, obviously. Then we have this 2-in-1 thing. It's like a stick, which has a tamping tool on one side and a scoop on the other. It's quite useful. It's quite nice. I mean, the tamping tool is not very flimsy. It's good. It's a good plastic made tamping tool. It's coming out. Almost there. And it's out. Now it's out. Yeah, here we have it. So here we have the Porta filter, which has a very nice grip. It has a very sturdy feel. Here you have the carafe from the coffee pot. Carafe usually does not have a handle, but yeah. This is for the drip coffee side. So the right side of the machine essentially is for the drip coffee, and the left side is for espresso. Make sure you take that wire out. There. The big unveiling. Ta-da! So this is the filter holder for the drip coffee side, which is the right side as I mentioned earlier. This is how the filter actually goes in. And we only have one filter in the box. So you'll have to get some new ones from somewhere. I haven't looked into that yet. Filter. There. So the left side has a removable water tank. You can open it and you can take the tank out. For filling it up, for cleaning it, it's quite convenient, I'll have to admit. Yeah. Here's the power button. The Porta filter. Put the pressurized basket in. It does not actually lock itself in, but it's nice. So yeah, this machine has a separate button for the steamer wand and separate button for the espresso, and then of course a separate button for the drip coffee side. Happy coffee day.